How do boats float? Boats float because of their special shape, pushing of the water called buoyancy. When you drop a stone, it's small, heavy, so the water can't hold it up, it sinks. But a boat is big and hollow inside. Its weight is spread out, so it pushes a lot of water away. The water pushes back up. This upward force is called buoyancy. That is what keeps the boat floating. Next time you see a boat, remember it's floating because of the water's push. Subscribe for more daily science fun facts.